Hey guys, this is Al. I got Bean here with me from Husky and Me, and I wanted to do a video today just discussing. Oh, he's getting up. He's gonna go check out the grass and land and stuff. I wanted to just discuss how important it is to have a leash for your dog and what it means to the dog and what it should mean for you to have a leash for your dog. And I have his leash right here. I have him on a harness connected to the ground holder over there, but his leash here, just usually is this neck leash that I usually have on him. It usually would be on his neck outside, and that's what I want to talk about a little bit today. He has I noticed that with him having a leash, because I've had a leash on my dog since I've gotten him, and he was only like 2 weeks old. So at that time, it was a smaller leash, not that much resistance on his neck and nothing. But I've noticed as he gotten older, like he is now, that he's developed like some kind of cough or like a belch of some sort. And I've recently seen a video that was kind of going in depth to why it's important to not have a leash constantly on your dog's neck, while they're inside, and why it's important to have a leash on their neck when they come outside. And it has a meaning to it as well. The dog will automatically know that by you picking up this leash and he hearing some type of, if you have bells on your leash, or if it's something like this where you can hear the noise. I don't know if you guys can hear the noise. If you shake it a little bit, it rattles, but because of these two pieces here, obviously. But nonetheless, if he hears this leash, he knows that it's time to go outside. Don't mind the noise, just air conditioners and stuff going on. But as I was saying, that's a sign for him or her that it's time to go outside, to potty or to play or for walks or anything like that. So it's a good training mechanism as well. But a leash is not, in my opinion, it's not supposed to be put on the dog 24/7 for the remainder of their life. It does have problems. It could involve like the belching. Like my dog, he doesn't belch anymore. I've noticed he doesn't do the belching. He can breathe. It was like I don't know, it's kind of like him breathing. He would look up and he would have like this, hard to describe it. It's kind of like he was trying to catch his breath or something like that. It was kind of a weird like raspiness it was a noise that he would let out. And as soon as I took off the leash, like every day I took the leash off, I noticed that, as time went on, that it went away. And even today now, it's no signs of it at all. So I really came down to, it's a theory of mine that this was it. And on that video that I've seen, it was the leash. And it wasn't even a tight, because I don't believe in putting it tight, but it was like at this notch right here, which is the second. This is the first, this is the second, which is very not tight at all. But just having it on your dog for long periods of time throughout their life, from a pup on up to an adult dog, it could possibly cause problems with their health and their breathing and stuff. And I noticed as I took my leash off of my dog, it helped him a lot get rid of that belch and that breathing issue that he had. But I want to talk today about how important it is. This leash is important to him. It lets him know that we're going to go outside. As soon as he hears this bell, he hears this rattle, we're going to go outside. He gets excited. When I go inside the house, I always take it off of him. I put it somewhere where I can find it. That way when it's time to go back out, I don't know, most people keep these leashes on their dogs because it's convenient, keep it on them 24/7 for the remainder of their life, or like for the whole of their lifespan. And all you have to do is just put the harness connected to it, and there you go. Very convenient for us, but at the same time we have to be mindful of things like this, because if the theory is right, or if it is correct, you know, this could be a problem, you know, for their health and for them breathing and stuff like that. So just keep in mind, guys, that the leash is very important. It's symbolic. You know, it means that we're going to go outside. The dogs get excited. You can train them with this as well. You know, potty breaks, like, you know, teaching your dog how to potty. This will let them know that we're about to go outside. You can potty outside and not inside the house. It makes the clear distinction of that. You know, it's also good for training like commands and stuff. Like I'm now teaching him now to like pick this up, you know, so like I'll put it on the ground and I tell him to pick it up and he'll bring it to me. That way he can know to pick it up. So if he want to go outside, he kind of bring it to me and I know it's time for him to go out. So I just wanted to make a quick video about that, talk about the collar. It's not a leash, but it's a collar, you know, and how important it is and how we need to keep in mind that this is around their necks, that it could potentially be, you know, a health problem if kept on their neck for prolonged periods of time throughout their life, from a pup on up. We just got to be very mindful of things that we do with our dogs, because we love them. They're part of our family, and you know, we want the best for them. A happy dog, a healthy dog is the best dog. So yeah, guys, I just want to make a quick video about the collar and how important it is for your dog and yourself, and just, you know, give a little bit of knowledge about what you could do. You know, even if it's you're doing what I'm doing now. You know, I'm now catching on to not having him be on a leash, you know, 24/7 out the day, or you know, from every day out the year. You know, I'll take this off when we come in the house. I take it off immediately, and when it's time for him to go out, he knows that we're about to go out, because he hears this little bell, this little metal clanging together, and he gets excited. You know, so it means something to him, just like it means something to me. So I just want to make a quick video about this. I hope you guys enjoyed the video today. You know, please, you guys, share this video, like the video, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one.